Hey, welcome to Pinnacle Web, and today we're going to talk about Google Passkey and how it could revolutionize the way we log in into our accounts. In the modern era, everybody uses passwords to secure their social media, bank accounts, personal documents, and much more. But remembering the passwords for all of them can be a painstaking task. On top of that, there is always a risk of your passwords getting leaked or you becoming a victim of a phishing attack. While two-factor authentication is helpful to a certain extent, it is far from being perfect. This is where the all-new Google Passkey comes in. According to Google, Passkey will let users log in into their accounts or services by just unlocking their devices. Google Passkey works by simply unlocking and authenticating your mobile using a fingerprint or a PIN. It uses Bluetooth to verify physical proximity, but don't worry, the actual sign-in process does not use the technology due to several security challenges. It will use your Android phone to store a passkey that will be used to unlock your online accounts in Chrome. Since it's based on public key cryptography, it's more secure in general and also has the ability to sync to cloud and transfer whenever you get a new phone or lose your existing one. Google said passkeys will be compatible with devices running Android 9 or above. According to Fido, the passwordless system will be available across Apple, Microsoft, and Google platforms in the coming year. We'll update our article about this story as we get more and more new information. If you're watching this on YouTube or Facebook, you can find the article link in the description. Also, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. Thank you for watching.